All right, Rankin family, welcome back to another video. So we are taking a look at this Highlands property right here in Cross Creek Ranch. Now we are in Fulshear, Texas, which is a suburb of Houston. And this one's absolutely gorgeous. I think you're gonna love this one. So let's walk in. Before you do walk in, you have this nice covered front porch with the white painted brick. And we'll take a look at the front of the property. So as soon as you walk into the front foyer, you're going to notice the 20-foot ceilings with the nice, unique black chandeliers coming down. As far as that curved staircase, it's a light curve, but definitely unique. Right here is the sales office, but this would be your garage. And there's also another separate garage, but we'll go take a look at that as well. And then this will be your first bedroom right here. If you notice, you have the high ceilings inside of here. You definitely have plenty of space. Look how much space this is right here. You even have your queen size bed with the 2 oversized nightstands and a dresser way over there. And you still have plenty of space. And then you have your nice walk-in closet right here. You have that light right there to add some natural light inside of the closet as well. And this will be the attached bathroom right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, you may or may not love the color scheme. Highlands is known to have unique colors inside of their properties. I think they just want to stand out and just, you know, make it a lot more memorable. So it could be off-putting to some people, but really just depends on your personal preference. So let me know in the comments below what you folks think. And then right here, you'll have a nice little closet right here. Before we go up the stairs, let's take a look at the study. So right here, you'll have your sliding wooden doors inside of here. And you have your LED ceiling fan right here. You have that built-in shelving over there. Adds a nice, unique taste. And then you have a little nook over there as far as like a little bench that's attached to the wall itself. And this will be your dining area right here. You have that candle-like chandelier coming down over the dining table. You have a nice little cabinetry right here, perfect for some wine and things like that. You could even put a little coffee, have it as a coffee bar or what have you. And even if you notice on top, they did add the cabinet crowns, which a lot of folks absolutely love. Now let's take a look at the kitchen itself. Absolutely gorgeous. If you notice, you got your waterfall countertops right here. You have the farmhouse sink with the brass sink faucet right there. You have your stainless steel range hood. You got stacked cabinets on top with the cabinet crowns, white cabinetry, and a nice brick-like backsplash right here. Absolutely unique. I'll pan right here so you can see what we're looking like. And I definitely love the island. I think it adds a sleek look, especially with the waterfall itself. And then you got your built-in stainless steel oven and microwave. And you know that Highland Homes are definitely known for this little area right here. Quartz countertops extends in there as well. And this will be your great room. So if you notice, you got your 20-foot ceilings inside of here as well. Perfect for entertaining folks and things like that. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. So you got your high ceilings in here, candlelight chandelier again. Plenty of space in here. If you know anything about Highland or you've been a part of this channel for a while, you know they love to add a lot of space inside of these bedrooms and give it more of that roomier feel, which is fantastic. Let me pan one more time so you can see what we're working with. Gorgeous. Perfect. And then this will be your primary bath. You got that rectangular soaking tub right there. His and her sink with the quartz countertops again. Tile flooring inside of here. Absolutely gorgeous. And you notice you have your brass handles in there as well. This will be your nice size walk-in shower. Interesting enough, I'm surprised they didn't add the brass shower heads. We've been seeing that quite a bit lately. This is your nice oversized walk-in closet. Plenty of space in here. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single day from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, you could reach out to the contact information below and consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. And of course, you'll be notified anytime I drop a new home tour. All right. So let's go right here to the right. You have your nice little hall tree right there. And then underneath the staircase, you have a storage closet. Then right here, you'll have your half bath, also known as a powder bath. And inside of here, you have a little closet area as well. So add some linen in there. We don't really see that little closet area with powder baths, but to each his own. Right there would be another garage itself, but this would be the utility room. So if you notice, you'll have two separate garages. And if you go back through some of the videos I do through Highland Homes, they're known to do that. They have a 1-car garage separated, and then they also have another one that's either a 2-car or a 3-car garage. And this would be that foyer right there. But let's go up the stairs to see what we're working with. So let me know in the comments so far. I mean, are you liking it so far? What are some things you would change? And then this will be your game room area. Nice oversized pool table. If you notice, you have that wood-like ceiling, which is fantastic. And then you have a little storage closet right here. This would be perfect for either a TV or a decoration, or put a PS5 right there so the family could play games. You have another closet right here as well. And let's take a look at the media room. So right here, if you notice, you have your sliding wooden doors again, just like it was in the study as well. And then now we have the media room. Definitely a nice size. I don't know if I would have added the ceiling fans inside the media room, but you know, they put it here for a reason. So I guess somebody liked it. And then let me pan right here so you can see the size of this. Okay. So we got the media room, you got the game room. Now let's go down the hall to see the other bedrooms. You got the third bedroom right here. So you got a decent amount of space. Queen size bed, 2 night stands and the dresser. And you still got enough room in here. Interior designing is definitely unique. You don't really see that so much. I think they just kind of wanted to add some spruce to everything. Usually the model houses that we tour, you know, they have that elegant vibe, that more museum type feeling. But right here, it's definitely unique. Okay. And then got your shower tub combo again with the black accents as far as the shower head and faucet. And let's go a little bit more down to the hallway right here. This will be the 4th and final bedroom. So yeah, if you notice, Highland Homes, they do a great job of adding space to the bedrooms. Sometimes you may see the bedrooms being compromised as far as space, just to add to maybe the game room, living room, or things like that. But Highland Homes, they take pride in you having space inside your bedroom, since a lot of times that may be one of the places you're going to spend the most time, right? Or especially the kids and things like that. Probably won't be too much out in the living room unless they have to. A lot of times they want to be to themselves, especially if they're teenagers, right? Okay. So you got the countertops, black fixtures on top again. The white cabin, or the white cabinetry with the brass handles. Okay. Now keep in mind, folks, Highland Homes, they have a ton of plans. It's almost ridiculous. If you even go online and see how many plans they have, you'd get extremely confused. So that's why I want to showcase a lot of these properties, so that way you can get an idea of the layout and the floor plan, and you can add or subtract depending on your customized needs, or your personal needs rather, and you'll be good to go. But let's go ahead and take a look in the backyard. You got the high ceilings, backyard covered patio. Let's take a look at this. You got your sliding door right there. Always think the sliding door is a great touch. You definitely want that sliding door because of ease of access to the backyard. All right, so you got the extended patio right here. Look how much space you have right here. Got that ceiling fan on the top, and this will be the backyard. Now keep in mind, folks, depending on the lot size you need, we could build this one on a bigger lot or things like that, but this just gives you a basis. Really, for model houses, they don't need a ton of space, just because they want to showcase the house more rather than the lot size, right? But other than that, folks, that is Highland Homes. All right, Rankin family, I hope you absolutely enjoyed the Highland Homes right here, the 511 plan. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description for you. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.